Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be quite interesting because I have a very useful gadget to show you all, and this can be like super useful to you or maybe your family members or anybody guys, even like content creators like me. So this is like a 6-in-1 USB hub guys, multifunctional USB hub, and let me tell you, these days everybody has like different sort of tech products at home. Like you got a couple of smartphones, different USB gadgets and whatnot. But problem is we've got like limited connectivity ports, especially on laptops, or if you have like a desktop PC or gaming PC now, they don't even have like a SD card reader also on board guys. So there you will definitely need an external card reader, and that is why now people keep looking to buy like an external USB hub or like an external extension solution so you can connect like multiple devices to it. And that is what we'll be checking out in this video. So this brand called as Regear has launched something new guys. This is like a 6-in-1 multifunctional USB hub. It's got like everything you would need, like USB ports, type C port is also there, SD card reader, micro SD card reader and whatnot. And on top of that, it also has like a built-in wireless charging solution also guys. So it's like a complete all-in-one solution, hence the name 6-in-1. And this is what we'll be unboxing in this video guys. Model is ARC 2100 and it's made by Regear. So let's get started. So guys, here's the multifunctional USB hub I was talking about from Regear. The model is ARC 2100 and comes in this sort of box packaging. We've got the Regear branding at the top, model mentioned over here. There's also a picture of the product on the front, and as I've told you, this is like a 2-in-1 hub guys. That means along with the USB hub, it also has a built-in wireless charging solution as well. So that is what we'll be unboxing today. There is nothing much written on the box packaging also, so without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me quickly open the package and show you the product, and as soon as you do that, here's how it comes nicely packed on a tray. And at the top side you've got some paperwork, must be a user manual, just make sure to read this. Keeping that aside, let me show you the actual product we've been waiting for. So there you go guys, Regear's all new multifunctional USB hub ARC 2100. Oh wow, it actually looks pretty cool. Quite premium for the price. You can definitely say that when you take it in the hand. It's got a squarish form factor and also has a compact design. It's not that heavy also guys, so you can easily carry it anywhere. Talking about the build quality is pretty good. Body is entirely made of a good quality ABS material and comes in this space gray sort of color in a matte finishing all over the body. And talking about the ports, let me just give you an overview on all the sides and show you what's available on it. On the front, you've got two USB 3.0 ports for charging or data transfer. To the left, there's a micro SD card and a SD card reader as well, and a 3.5mm headphone jack available just beside that. And there is nothing on the left, and at the back side now, you've got a Type C port for charging as well as data transfer. And here's how the hub looks from the bottom. A very different sort of design. You've got a circular rubber footpad on the bottom, lots of vents all around it to let the heat escape and keep it running cool when you're using it. And along with that, at the center you can see that it's got a non-detachable Type C cable, and that too you can neatly organize and hide it in the body itself. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing and complete overview on the design and the build quality. So I've been using this product, the ARC 2100, since the last few days, almost like 7 to 8 days guys, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this product. So we've already discussed about the design and the build quality now. So first let me tell you about the comfort and the ease of use. See, ARC 2100 from Regear is a very compact 6-in-1 USB hub solution for all your needs, and let me tell you, it's a very lightweight and portable device guys. You can easily place it in your pocket or even in your backpack and carry it anywhere, so not an issue at all. I wish it was slightly a bit smaller, but again it's got like built-in wireless charging also now, so we can't complain about that, but still quite portable I'd say. And on top of that, the brand says that this product is also like fire resistant guys, because the entire material of the body is a fire retardant material. So that is one plus point I wanted to say. So that is about the ease of use and functionality. Now let's talk about the main parts guys, the USB hub and the connectivity ports present on it. Now this is like a 6-in-1 solution guys. That means you've got like different sorts of connectivity ports. Starting off from the front side, you can see that it's got two USB 3.0 ports available, and let me tell you, you can use these USB ports for both charging purpose and data transfer as well. You can connect a variety of devices to it. You can connect your smartphones, pen drives, portable SSDs and different sort of gadgets also, like printers and these sort of stuff, and they work very well. And let me tell you, the transfer speeds using this extension hub is also very good and super fast, guys. We'll come to the transfer speeds in a moment, and we'll also do some practical transfer speed tests using this device, guys. You'll get like a better idea on the performance of this thing. Now going to the right, you got a micro SD and also a SD card reader, and beside that you got a 3.5mm headphone jack. See, thing is, these days some of the smartphones do not come with like a 3.5mm headphone jack on board, right? And if you want to use like your wired headphones on them, you can actually use this Type-C extension hub and easily connect your wired headphones to this particular product and use them with your phone. So that option is also there. And lastly, going to the backside, guys, you got a Type-C port that supports both data transfers as well as 100 watts PD charging is also there, guys. So multifunctional Type-C port. And on the bottom, you got the Type-C male port that is used to connect either to your laptop, PC, or your smartphone, guys. So that was a complete overview on it. Now let's talk about the transfer speeds and all the other stuff. Now this is the main part, guys, the performance. How fast is this hub? Well, first of all, let me tell you that it's a very easy to use plug and play device and is multi-platform compatible. It works on Windows, Mac systems, and even on smartphones, but with Type-C ports only. Once you do that, you can connect multiple items onto this hub. So during my period of usage, I've connected a variety of devices and tested, and let me tell you, I was quite impressed with the transfer speeds. It's got all USB 3.0 and Type-C ports only, right? So you can expect good and fast results from it. I could copy GBs of data in seconds. For example, it took me only around 10 seconds to copy around 4 GB of video files from a storage device to my laptop. I do agree speed depends on the type of storage connected as well, but if the hub itself is not good, you won't get these sort of results. Not only this, even transferring data from my camera's SD card was also super fast, guys. Usually if I copy some 4K videos directly from my camera to my PC, it'll easily take around like 15 to 20 minutes. But through Regear's hub, it took me only around 2 to 3 minutes. So super useful for these sort of applications. Now if you ask about the heat, I didn't face any heating or thermal issues on it, but yes, the body did get slightly warm while copying big files that took over 10 to 15 minutes. Keeping the performance part aside, not to forget that it even has wireless charging functionality built into it and supports 5 watts, 7.5 watts and 10 watts wireless charging. You simply need to place your phone on the hub and there you go, it starts charging. But I do have to mention it's a bit slow and time consuming as it's not fast wireless charging. The hub does support fast wired charging though when using a 100 watt PD 2.0 Type-C charger. Well, that's it for today. Our video on this super useful accessory from Regear, the ARC 2100. Good build quality, portable, 6-in-1 different connectivity ports, plus has wireless charging functionality as well. But here are a few cons I felt about the product during my usage. First is the Type-C cable on it is a bit short, guys. I know they wanted to keep the design clean on it, but it was slightly a bit difficult connecting to my PC because of the short cable. Second is I wish it had 4 USB Type-A ports on it. That would have been like very handy. And lastly, I felt the price of this device is slightly on the expensive side. The ARC 2100 costs around 4,400 rupees in India. I don't know why a regular USB 3.0 card reader or a hub usually costs around like 1000 rupees. Plus add in a 10 watt wireless charger should be around like 8 or 900 rupees. And even if you take into consideration the build quality and design and other stuff, it could have been priced around 2500 to 3000 rupees. If only the price was a bit lower now, it would have been awesome. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out this product. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.